Ya ketika program balapan long apain wood hotel chenlong lawan ban plia da Menteri Katanat Rural Development Uberendra Singh kumukongsan haringkat kejingdan lang Menteri khana uram kripal yadaf ka Global Sanitation Fund kade ka balakrshan da kanho na Geneva ka Water Supply but Sanitation Collaboration Council ban krshani ki riu pai ba khamtam ki buduna ka jingyo khanang banyo shnai pan khana bat penyo ya ka Imlang Sahlang ka Khuid ka Suba Katkum kejing itu da ukongsan ka sarkar kami rules nam ajari way kalamat phang banwanra da total sanitation campaign kumsibenta kejing khun ban pinyo ekilong yeng ki baduk ya ki pankhana.
Our Prime Minister desired to make sanitation a people's movement. We are committed to partner with institutions that are closer to people and can trigger people to change their behavior. I am happy to share that in our quest to make our country ODF, we in the maiden year of implementation of Swachh Bharat mission have already supported more than 80 lakh households in the country to access and use of sanitary toilets. Over 1200 Gram Panchayats have already achieved the noble feat of freedom from open defecation. My ministry at the national level is also working towards making sanitation a broad-based initiative through the network of self-help groups and train them as hygiene promoter, mason and managers of sanitation.
Kibabun vinogran kenthop nadu Chief Secretary ka jilla oba PBO Waljri klapen pau ya kajing thrang balemba kite program on laban pelong ya kani ka than ka balat pura na kajing nait pan khana pathar.
The intent was never toilet construction, and I underline and put it in capital letters, never. It is not a toilet construction program. It is a program for changing attitudes, for changing mindset. India has had n number of toilet construction programs. It's not the first one. The difference is, it's a program that is for the first time talking of attitude change, behavior change. It's a program that is talking of collective community change. It is not enough if one individual in a village is talking about making a toilet. No. It is about everyone in that community understanding that they all have to come together. That even if one house in that village is without a toilet, we are achieving nothing. So we are now talking about open defecation free, saturation, every house, every member of each house. Further, we are talking about if you need to bring the community together, you need to do it through a very professional manner by which you need to get them together to understand the issue of defecation, its impact on health, its impact on other sectors, children, the old, the women, and then understand why they must have a toilet. So triggering, I put it in inverted commas, triggering is important.
Sanitation Partnership Note and the compilation of case studies aptly termed as local accelerators promoting sustainable sanitation in rural areas.